Good day everyone. Today I want to show you how to change address of a business name to another location. So let's say you have another location for your business. So this is how portal. Once you log in, like I see that I'm logging in now. Once you have logged in, you are going to search for the business name, even if it is a company or an NGO. So I have the one I'm working with. I'll just click on search. Once I click on search, I will click on proceed to dashboard. Once I get to the dashboard, then I will go straight down. I'll go straight down to change principal place of business. So if it is limited, this is also what you are going to see. And if it is NGO, this is what you are going to see. I will click on change principal place of business address. Once I click on it, you see start changing principal place of business. Just click on it. Now please note, before you can change it, you need to have the old information, which is the status report of the business operation. You need to have it so that CAC, they will know that yes, this is you have the correct information. You can easily get the old address from there. So you just click on start processing, and when I click on start processing, you can see that their old address is already showing here. So you just need to have it for a safety purpose. You are not going to upload it. You just need to have it for a safety purpose. So this is your old address. You cannot change it. The new address that you are going to input is already here in the section B. You see change of principal place of address or branches. So this is where you are going to work. You are going to click on the state of the business address. Mine is Lagos State. The local government of this place is so let me check my WhatsApp for the local government of my clients. Let me check the local government. So that is why you have to have the correct information. Okay, the local government is Etiosa. Then the village, the town is Etiosa. That is Lekki. I will still put Etiosa again. Etiosa. Then the house number. They don't have house number. So the place is just Lekki Arts and Craft Market. So Lekki Art and Craft Market. So you must have, they have postal code. That is 106 104. That is the postal code. I can just put Lekki here since they don't have house number. The date of change, you can put yesterday or today's date. I can just put yesterday date or today's date. Any date I want to put, I'll just put it down. Who said you should change this thing? You are going to put the name of the director, the proprietor. If it is business name, this one is business name, so I'm going to input the name of the proprietor of the business. So that is why you need the status report before you can proceed in this registration. So I already have it and I'm going to input it. I'm going to input the name of this is it already. I have it here. Then the description for business name is proprietor. If it is a limited, is director. While if it is NGO, it may be the chairman, the secretary, or the treasurer. So you are going to input one of the significant body of the organization in this section. So once you are done, you are going to click on save and continue. So here you can see the preview. This is the old address and this is the new address. So once you are done, you proceed to payment. So the amount you are going to pay for change of address of your business is just is about 13,200 because of the charges of remitter. Now you see you are going to download status report and a fresh certificate. So So that is why you are paying the payment. You are paying for three things. You are paying for status report, you are paying for file of notice of change address, you are also paying for to get a fresh certificate on the CAC portal. So please, if you are having issues on getting the total amount that you want to charge your client, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, or you can connect with me on WhatsApp. I will add it to my community group whereby you'll be getting latest information on CAC registration and also other digital skills in Nigeria. So this is just proceed to your payment. Once you proceed to your payment, you make your payment, then you click on, when you get to the upload section, you don't need to upload anything, just click on submit, and it will submit. After the review, CAC will approve your work, then you download your document. So this is how to do it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.